Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp that you can view once. Alright, first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp. So if you go to the App Store and we go to WhatsApp Manager, make sure that you have the latest option from WhatsApp. Then from here, we throw this away, we go to WhatsApp, and right now I'm here in a chat with a friend. So make sure that you go to that. Alright. Then we click on the plus icon, we click on photos, click on the photo that we want to send, and make sure then that you click here on the one. Right now you can see that we can select more photos, so we can just send one photo. And then right now if we send this, you see it here just right like this, that there is standing photo with a one before it. So you can only send this to other persons, and you can do this by one photo. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching. Ciao.